You know what's bothering me, Adrian?
What's that?
Every single day I have to watch the tide going in and out of this property. This half-acre building lot in Panorama Ridge is truly a once-in-a-lifetime opportunity. You can build a 3-level home over 10,000 square feet, located on a no-through road, fully serviced. Let's take a tour around.
For this incredible opportunity to build your dream home, reach out, CORSIE.com.